Beep, beep. Okay, folks, Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts, and we're bringing you another cool car. You don't see many of these anymore, that's for sure. What we have here today is a 1970 Plymouth Road Runner. It's a 383 car. It is the original engine in this car. And this car belongs to a friend of my buddy Eldon's. Here's his Eldon right here. Say hi.
Hey.
Say hi to Eldon there, buddy. He's a good guy. I've known Eldon about 10 years. He's a good car guy. He's going to talk to us and show us around this car.
Like Bob was telling you, it's a 1970 Plymouth Road Runner. It's 383 Road Runner motor. They were 335 horse. This car actually still has the original motor in it, motor, transmission, and rear end.
Oh, really? Wow.
This car came out of Florida, as you can tell by some of the ventilation in the sheet metal. It's funny because they rot from the top down. Here, everything rots from the bottom up.
Right.
So
they rot from the inside out too.
Yeah. But we're fortunate enough to check the numbers on it, and they match. This has got that purple horn that we were looking at earlier. You can see the Road Runner better on this one.
He was referring to a Road Runner we videoed earlier today. One of the things I liked about these cars, I always thought it really was kind of helpful to the styling, was the way they did this hood. And
they actually had an insert, and this one, we have the insert for this one. We took it off because we're going to change the hood. That had the engine call out right here.
Right.
And some of them actually had turn signals.
That's what I remember, the turn signals.
The turn signals were an option,
but
it actually has the call out right there.
And some of them had the air grabber right in here too.
That would pop up right here.
That was vacuum operated, wasn't it?
Vacuum operated, which was a pretty cool option on this. Of course, they're hard to find nowadays unless you want to break into your 401k.
Yeah, tell me about it. That's one of my favorite body styles of the Road Runner. And I like all the Road Runners, but I really like the 70.
A friend of mine, that this was his unicorn. He always wanted a 70 Road Runner. This car originally was a burnt orange car. You can see right there in the door panels.
This is the original color here, folks, burnt orange.
And it had a burnt orange interior. You can see from the console there, and the carpet.
But you're going to put it back white, you say?
We're going to go back with white interior. We'll probably use the orange carpet console and dash, but we're going to do white door panels and seats. Just to kind of break it up.
Yeah,
because this car actually came from the factory with a white vinyl top.
Oh, did it?
So we thought it might offset that pretty well.
Okay. Oh, check out that little tiny steering wheel, folks.
This was definitely a product of the 60s and of the 70s, because when we got the car, the original seats had an Afghan. Somebody cut grandmother's Afghan up and made seat inserts. There's the grill for it right there.
Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
This car actually, we were able to get this from Hodge's Restoration down in South Carolina as well. Lee Hodge, really good guy. We went down there, sold him a pickup truck, and this was sitting behind the shop there, and he sent it home with us. So we didn't have to take an empty trailer.
I need to go give him a visit. Maybe he'll send me a cool car home. Oh,
gracious. I thought it's cool how many of these old cars you find that still have a trailer hitch on.
It's got the Florida tag on it still.
Yep.
Those tail lights are just killer, man. I love those.
These tail lights were actually the same as a Belvedere.
Yep.
Only difference is this insert came out and left just a solid lens there.
Right.
This right here sits in it.
Right. So in other words, the lens is the same, but just the insert was for the Road Runner.
The insert's for the Road Runner and Superbird.
Gotcha.
GTX, that sort of thing.
Let's make our way on around back here.
Still got the original road wheels on it, the Magnum 500.
So you've got the quarter skins to put on the car.
We've got all the bolt-on metal. We've got hood, fenders, doors, trunk. All of that we got with the car. We've got a trunk pan for it. The floors are actually really good on this car, and so are the frame rails and all of that. It's surprising. There's a couple of small places in the floor, but for the most part, the floors are really good in it. The trunk pan needs to be replaced.
Okay, all right.
And it needs quarter skins on it.
Is
right
this
there
the
around
one
the back window.
Now, is this the one you were going to sell to Bob?
No, that was one like this. This one's way too nice.
I've been trying all day.
Collection.
Yeah, I've got quite a collection, don't I? Oh me.
But there it is.
I'd love to add this to my collection.
Well, this one right here is a like I said, it's Scott's unicorn. He said when he was a kid,
Right.
there was a guy would come up on the mountain. His dad owned a Plymouth dealership in West Virginia.
Right.
And he would come up on the mountain driving a 70 Road Runner, and said he would come up there and he would whoop everything on the mountain
Really?
with that Road Runner.
Yeah.
And he said he always wanted one.
Right.
And never could get it.
Right.
And we found this one down in South Carolina.
Right.
So now he has his unicorn.
Yep. Oh, God bless him. Yeah.
We're going to see this one through.
By the way, folks, Scott's another one of our buddies. He's a cool guy. Hello, Scott. I know you're gonna watch this video. Hello, Scott.
Yeah, I'm sure he'll watch it.
Yeah. Eldon paid me $20 to say that. So. Now, folks, as you can see, we're car guys. We love all of them. We have a lot of fun. We don't sweat the small stuff.
No, it's not worth it. We have more fun with. We have just as much fun with the camaraderie.
Right. We don't get uptight. We just have fun. That's what this channel is all about. So, hope you enjoyed the video, folks. This car is definitely a work in progress, but it is the 70 is to me is one of the most beautiful cars ever made. It really is.
Last year of this body style.
Right. Last year this body style, they went to that 71.
And this was a factory bucket seat console car. It was that burnt orange with a white top. So this was a beautiful car when it was new.
It's gonna be pretty when you put it back.
Yep, we're gonna run the dust trail stripe, do the the orange and white interior, and it's going to make a really nice car.
I agree. That burnt orange is going to be a pretty color. It really is.
We've got a Belvedere that's going to come together that color someday.
Well, the Belvedere is a tease. We'll get to that in a minute. And so is this Challenger. We're going to tease you with the Challenger right quick. We'll get to that also here in a little bit. But folks, subscribe to my channel and thank Eldon for letting us do this. Tell him you really appreciate him doing this, and hit that like button and comment. Let Eldon know that you appreciate this. And the little bell notification, hit the bell. That way you can be notified of any of the new videos I get. I post a lot of stuff, and I'm out here digging up these old cars for you. Some in better shape than others. Some are really nice. Some are projects. Some are found in the woods. But we turn over some rocks and we make friends, and we find a lot of different cars. All kinds of stuff, from Studebakers to Road Runners. No telling what I'll be videoing. So subscribe to my channel, folks. Eldon, thank you, sir.
No problem.
Appreciate it, buddy. Okay.
Y'all hit the like button.
That's right. Hit the like and subscribe. Okay, we're going to end this video. Thank you, folks.